Welcome to episode 44 of On Our Bike, Turangi Part 2.
A bit of a visit to the thermal pools at Tokaanui. So here you can get to go in the hot baths, and they also have a walk that goes around the back, which we'll do. And then off this bridge here we've got a river that's just full of trout that are just probably a little bit too far away to see, but maybe on the big screen they'll come up pretty good.
So I think we're sort of in the middle of the walk now. Came across this hot pool, and I can hear mud bubbling away behind me, so I'm going to see if I can have a look at that in a minute. You can smell the sulphur. It's not as strong as Rotorua, but the smell is still there. In the middle, if you can see the water bubbling, so it shows you just actually how hot it is. It's a beautiful day today. We've had two really good days with no wind. Today the wind's decided to come back. I'm just out for a little bit of an explore. The thermal pools are quite spectacular. Not sure if you'll see, but the water is fair bubbling in the middle over there. Stretch out, see if I can get a little bit closer.
Plenty of sulphur boiling away in this little pot here. It just is a very good bush setting, and it's cool. And yet another one. It's all about the colours. Just another hot water spring. Very blue, very endless. Coming back around to the end of the path here, and this one appears to be very hot. So they all seem to be different temperatures. And another one with good colour. The thing I really like about these hot pool things is the colour. And the colour, I believe, is what sets them off.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Species. Oh, what's it called? Oh, that's a. What's that?
So here we are at the Pillars of Hercules viewing bridge. I'm not exactly sure what we're supposed to be viewing, but Murray thinks there might be a walking track on the other side, so we're going to check that out. And here the water. Oops, and it's a wobbly old suspension bridge. Down there, water looks beautiful colour. And then on this side, there's also beautiful coloured freshwater stream. I'm not sure of the names, but that's an outlet over there from a power station that we just went and had a look at. I'm not exactly sure how it all works, but I think it's underground. It starts at the top of the hill and then goes down through the mountain, and this is the outlet. We're heading out to a lavender farm today and saw a sign for a lookout, so I thought we'd come in and have a look. In the distance, you may or may not be able to see it, is Lake Taupo. Just slowly swinging around to show the view. We think that at one point the view may have been seen from the car park down the bottom, and they've built this structure to get above the height of the trees. Oh. This is the beginning of the Forgotten Highway. We've ridden this road several times in both directions, but it's always been in the rain. It was good to do it with fine weather. Here we are at the lavender farm. Unfortunately the lavenders aren't flowering, which we thought they may have been, but we're a month too early. The gardens here are stunning. The grounds are beautiful. Just going to have a little bit of a wander around. We've had a coffee. Came to actually see if I could buy some shampoo, but they don't do lavender shampoo. One of my favourite plants again, wisteria. Just love it, and it looks so beautiful the way the flowers hang down. And then I love these as well. I think they're a Japanese maple. They're like a Japanese maple, but the colour is just stunning. And there's a lot all down the driveway. There's a lot of them as well. The reason that Betty's parked under this magnificent tree is that the gravel was a bit dodgy for where all the cars are supposed to park. But isn't it just such a lovely, tranquil place? Beautiful gardens, beautiful established trees. Just love it. I've just come for a wander up the road a little bit further. I saw a one-lined bridge sign. I thought, I wonder what the stream going underneath that bridge is going to be like. It's quite pretty. And then up behind that is the pumice stone cliff faces.